Yeah, thank you so much for having me on your page, and it was really quick,
Yeah.
invite. So yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much for accepting it. I asked you yesterday, and then you didn't decline it. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So Ikra, I just decided to take 5 minutes of your schedule today, and it's just going to be a quick live wherein I'm going to ask you to introduce yourself, of course, a bit, so our viewers get to know more about you and your background. And I want you to tell me as to why you joined this business and why you think the others watching us should join this business. So over to you, Ikra.
Okay, thank you, Anjum, for having me, first of all. And my name is Ikra Qureshi. I live in Virginia, US, with my husband and my two beautiful daughters. Originally, I'm from Pakistan, and I completed my, electronics engineering from Karachi, Pakistan. And then I came here after I got married. And when I came here, just to start something, I just start with a substitute teaching because that was really accommodating with my small kid and everything. And I just do it whenever I want to. So I started with that. But when I need to buy a house with my husband, so we need to show strong finances, so I have to jump on the full-time job. So after jumping on full-time job, I had to drop my daughter in daycare, and that was like a life changing situation for me. मुझे हर बार गिल्ट होता था कि मेरी बेटी बेचारी कैसे डे केयर में अपना टाइम स्पेंड करी, हालांकि वो बहुत कम टाइम के लिए डे केयर में गई, एंड आफ्टर दैट कोविड हिट्स. बट वो टाइम मेरी फैमिली के लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग था. वी हैव लाइक आई वाज जस्ट कीप लुकिंग एट द क्लॉक कि कब 5 बजेंगे, कब मैं उसको जाकर वहाँ से बस लेकर आऊँ घर पर. So I was like, it was a really challenging time for me. But since then I was looking for something online, just work from home options. But alhamdulillah, after COVID, I got a remote position. But I also felt that in remote position I have so many restrictions. I
Mhm.
had to sit in my home office like for 8 to 9 hours straight, just for small breaks I get up and come out, and then
Mhm.
again back in my room, because I need to have a silent workplace for ongoing meetings throughout the day. I have to complete my deadline assignments, wake up at 7 and do everything similar, just like going outside. So still I was thinking I'm not able to give time to my kid, and there's not no like no such thing like flexibility. And when
Yes.
I was expecting again with my second child, I decided no, I need to find something flexible. So where वो सारा जो है cycle repeat नहीं करना चाहती.
Mhm.
So then alhamdulillah, my research came to an end. I came across this platform. और सबसे unique और सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे यही लगी that I'm my own boss here. I choose my own working hours. There's no boss and there's no assignments to complete, and there are no deadlines. There's no restrictions. Whenever my kids are around me, I'm still working. My daughter is up here. She's just sitting beside me, and I'm just still talking and doing my business stuff. So alhamdulillah, this was the main thing: time flexibility, and of course, with two kids, with so many expenses out there, I was looking for an additional income stream in my house. Me and my husband, we both are working, but still this is not sufficient. We still believe for their education, for them having them a debt free quality lifestyle, and to like to travel with them frequently, to travel back home with my country, to visit my parents frequently. हम सोचते रहते हैं कि इतने महंगे टिकट्स हैं, कैसे जाएंगे बार बार मिलने एंड ऑल, एंड इट्स बीन लाइक 3 to 4 years आई नेवर विजिट माई पेरेंट्स. सो ये मेरे लिए बड़े फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग चीज होती थी, सोचे कि हम कब तक इसे पे चेक टू पे चेक करेंगे. So these were my two reasons: the time flexibility, working around my kids, and additional income stream in my house. So these were the two main reasons, and ये business के through ही accomplish हो सकता है, ये मैंने अब realize किया. Because job cycle में आपके पास बहुत restrictions आती हैं income के साथ, but in business there are no restrictions like that. Your income, your way of working, everything is up to you, how much you wanna earn and how much you wanna give time to your business. So इसमें भी ऐसा ही है, मैं अपने हिसाब से अपनी जॉब के साथ मैं इसमें आवर्स अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैनेज करती हूँ, सो मुझे कोई इशू नहीं है. एंड जस्ट स्मॉल एडवाइस दैट व्हाई शुड पीपल ज्वाइन इट. तो चाहे आप स्टे एट होम मॉम हो, चाहे वर्किंग मॉम हो, ये बिजनेस सबके लिए है. सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये, इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि अगर आप काम कर रहे हो तो आप नहीं कर सकते, या आपको 8-9 घंटे बैठकर इसमें देना है. नो, this is a very time flexible business, but it's just required 1 to 3 hours. सो आपको
Yes.
क्वालिटी टाइम देना है, ऐसा नहीं कि आपको बहुत क्वांटिटी में आवर्स देने हैं तो आप अर्न करोगे, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट समथिंग आवरली जॉब और आवरली बेस्ड समथिंग. So it's your business. Just give quality time, focus on your business, and then you can do the training and follow all the guidelines and protocols, and then you can see the results in very short time. Alhamdulillah, Anjum and I have been doing since like more than 1 year, so we have seen great results because we have been consistent with this. So अगर आप कोचिंग स्किल के साथ आओ, कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ आओ कि हाँ मुझे कंसिस्टेंट होकर ये काम करना है, और पेशेंस इज द की हियर, क्योंकि कोई भी बिजनेस एक दिन में 2 दिन में खड़ा नहीं हो सकता, टेक्स टाइम। तो अपने माइंड में रख कर आओ बिजनेस माइंडसेट के साथ कि हाँ मुझे ये बिजनेस करना है अपने फ्यूचर के लिए, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए। So I have to leave a legacy for my kids. So yes, आपको फिर the things will fall into place and everything will just like click. So yeah, that's my little advice. And yeah, take the first step, come to us, talk to us, communicate, and we can guide you for the further steps.
Perfect, Ikra, you nailed it. Thank you so much for sharing your story, your reasons, and why should people join this business? Because there's so many out there who still have some kind of doubts and some kind of a skepticism with regard to online business, which is fair on their part as well. But we are here, doing this business from past 1 year, 1.5 year. I've been doing from 22 months. Ikra is there for 1.5 year, almost close to 1.5 year. So go ahead, leave away those fears, and take one step to understand the business, and then there's no risk at all. Go ahead, watch the webinar, which is completely free of cost, and you can see people in our community from different backgrounds thriving so successfully in the business. So there's no need to a step aside and watch others be successful. You can be a part of us and be successful as well. All right, with that note, I take a leave for today. Thank you so much, Ikra, for joining in. And I wish you all the best in the business and personally as well. And to everybody out there, thank you so much for watching us. And I wish and hope, all the luck to everybody out there. Step up, leave your fears. And this is the business which you have to be in. Take care and Allah Hafiz.